Welcome to another life hack with Tikva and Rena. Today we're going to talk about flour, the most basic necessity which could actually be pretty messy. So come with me to my cabinet and let's grab the flour. Alright, I don't know how these YouTubers and Instagrammers and TikTokers keep all their organizing bins so clean. This is my baking cabinet, and yes, at first glance it may look organized and clean, but when you take a closer look you'll see all these stains. And let's face it, with kids, baking can get messy. Okay, let me grab the flour. And here you see some stains. I'll quickly wipe that off with a wet paper towel. And let me grab a few more areas while I'm cleaning. All right, now that's done and my OCD side can relax a little bit. Let's go grab another basic that you need in baking. Let me quickly start off by explaining my kitchen. I have a kosher kitchen, which means I have to have separate utensils for dairy and meat. So I keep everything separate, with my dairy utensils being turquoise, and I keep my meat utensils on the other side of my kitchen, and they are red. I try to match everything so it doesn't get confusing with my kids. And I know this is not that many stuff, but for dairy, I really don't use it as often, so I don't have as much utensils. All right, let's grab what we came for, which is the whisk. Now I'm gonna head over to the flour again. Now it's time to show you the quick hack, which is gonna save you from that big mess. So all you do is just grab this whisk and stick it inside your flour. This is supposed to work with a metal whisk as well, by the way. I just put it inside and pull it out, and look at that, it scoops up flour. And it doesn't spill, and I easily just put it into my bowl just like that. And watch again, I'm just putting the whisk inside. I'm trying to grab a little bit more this time by twirling it, but that didn't really work, so I'm just gonna try again, and look at that. It's not spilling, and I just put it into the bowl. Well, now you may wonder, I don't actually scoop it into my bowl directly. I kind of want to measure it. So what do? Well, that's the beauty of this. It works the same. Just grab your measuring cup and use the whisk to scoop in the flour into the measuring cup. And I just keep doing this until I have the desired measured amount. And look at that. I think I have about a quarter cup. So in the past, I would pour the flour into the cup, but it gets everywhere. This is the mess I'm talking about. It turns into this doughy paste on your counter, which makes it really hard to remove. So this hack really saves you the mess and time. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you like and subscribe to our channel.